Hello, everybody. Welcome to this edition of ZAP Insider. I'm your host, Ray Garrett, and I want to show you a little technique in ZAP that I think could really have the power to change your career and your trajectory. Hopefully, I'm not overemphasizing that. Let's take a look at adding ourselves as a client in our own ZAP database. So why would we want to add ourselves as a client in our own ZAP database? Well, this is important because once we add ourselves as a client, we can do activities with ourselves that boosts our score in ZAP and also helps promote ourselves on the company website, which is an invaluable tool. I'm going to give you an example of that right now. First of all, to add myself as a client, it's really easy. I'm just going to go add new contact, individual contact, and put myself in as just Ray Garrett. Very simple, self-explanatory thing. Then what I want to do is I want to take me, the client. I want me, the agent, to take me, the client, on visits, which means that I'm just going to go out and preview properties by myself, basically. And I'm going to write reviews of the properties that I review in ZAP. Those reviews get published online and get you many, many more hits on your personal site. And you will notice a great deal more leads by doing so. Let me demonstrate to you how this is done. First off, I want to schedule a visit with myself. I just did that once in another class. I'm going to do it once again for you so you can see how that works. So I'm going to go add a new meeting. So a showing appointment or a BIOS consultation, we'll say, or a showing appointment. Doesn't matter which one. I'll just do a new showing appointment just so you can see. New showing appointment. And then we're going to add the address here. And we'll just say it's this one in Newport Way here. So I'm going to click that. You can also do this by MLS and it'll pull it up. And when I go here, it's going to say which contact, and I'm going to put my own name because remember, I've added myself as a contact in my own database. So Ray Garrett, the agent, is taking Ray Garrett, the client out. We're going to say today, and we'll say at 11 a.m. since it's nearly that right now, East time. All the rest should be set up. Now this is also going to set up to send a text out to your client, let them know that they have a meeting. And there's more information on doing this with your own client. That's not what today's video is about. But if you need to see that, go into the knowledge base and just search for setting up a meeting. So anyway, I've got this all set up for myself and I'm going to hit save. Now when I go and actually put feet on the ground on these properties, then I can go into the system and complete that showing. And that's what you want to do. Once you go put feet on the ground inside these properties, you want to go in here and complete it by going to view. And then once I go into view, I want to just put complete showing right here. And when I do that, it'll give me the option of going in and writing up a review on this. You see it says property insight. So I can go in and I can say lovely background, lovely view of the mountainside, whatever I want to do. I could even just go in and click these things. And I'm not going to do this because this is an actual listing and I haven't put feet there yet. But just know that that's what you do. You write it up and then you save it. So once you do that, it publishes those comments on the web. And I want to show you how to take full advantage of that. So which properties should you go see? How should I gauge which properties I should do this? And I would suggest isolating an area where you want to concentrate. And if you don't know yet, go in your own neighborhood and work outwards there. That's going to be the place that you know best. And you'll just draw a map. Let me give you an example of how to do that. You find your place on the coldwellbanker.com website and you just find where your neighborhood is. Let's say it's here. And I'm just going to go in and draw a map on this place around kind of where I want to have the map. So you go in and draw it, and then it isolates that and it gives you the listings of that place. So what I want to do once I isolate those listings, again, I'm in coldwellbanker.com, nothing more, nothing less. I'm searching in Alexandria, Virginia. Then I want to go in and take a look at a few listings, okay? So you can do that just by clicking on the individuals. I've already done this here for this particular one right here, New England on Burke in Burke, Virginia. So let's click on it and take a look. So once I click on this listing, I can go look at it. And now as I go down, right below where you see the pictures are is this popularity field. And that popularity field is going to show you how many people you're using the website to look at this property. And you can see the 9 out of 10, a pretty popular property. So that would be a really good one to go review. Why do I want to do the popular ones? Well, right below this, you see this little thing here that says agent, connect with a local agent. That's called the agent carousel. That pops up when no one has written a comment or a review about this property. You want to knock all these other agents out there and have only your smiling face with a link to your homepage on this property, on this very popular, very highly trafficked property. Just go in, set up the visit like I showed you, go tour it on your free time, and then come back and write a review. When you write that review, it knocks out this carousel and it puts your review there. Imagine if you were a client and you were searching in a certain neighborhood and you're looking at all the popular listings, and every time you look at one, you see the same agent giving a very thoughtful review on that property. It's very likely you're going to want to work with that agent. I want that agent to be you. That's why I'm giving you this ZAP Insider Tip of the Week. Hope it helps. Let me know. Send me an email at ray.garrett@nrtllc.com. Happy selling. Have a great week. Bye-bye.